guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fake your location in Snapchat. So I'm in Snapchat camera. Let's go to the location. Okay, as you can see, my current location is Mumbai. Now to fake the location you need a third-party app. So let's close Snapchat, and I'll be using these two apps, mock location and Hola fake GPS. You can search in Play Store for mock locations applications. Let me show you. In Play Store you can search this one. Let me go back. Or you can search this one. If you search mock location app in Play Store you will find many apps, but these two I like. Okay, so let's go back. Let's use this one first, mock locations. Tap on it and open the app. Okay, now tap on this search button, and here you need to search for a location. Okay, let's search Ibja. Okay, I'm already in Ibja. Now once you are here, just long press on the map and pin a point. Now you will see this green check button. Tap there. Now at the bottom hit the go button. Let me close this ad. Now let's go to Snapchat. Okay, now let's go to map. Okay, and we are in Ibja. So let me take a picture. Let's apply a filter. Weekend vibes. What is Ibja? Okay, as you can see, we are getting the geo filters from Ibja. Likewise, let me discard this one. Okay, so stop this mock location app, go to the app and tap on this stop button. Done. Let's close the app. Let's go to camera. Let's go to map again. Okay, as you can see, I am back to my place. Okay, now let's try the another app, Hola fake GPS. Let's open this one. This is also similar to use. Just search for a location you want to go. Okay, then tap on this go button. Okay, actually we were using the mock location app. Now we are going to use this Hola GPS, so I have to go to settings and I have to change the default app for mock location. Where is this mock location? Okay, select mock location app, tap there. Okay, we have to choose Hola now because we are going to use Hola. Okay, now tap on go and app is started. Now let's go to Snapchat. Let's go to location. Okay, and we are in Bucharest. So let's take a picture here in Bucharest. Okay, weekend vibes, low-key weekend, Bucharest. Okay, now we are getting geo filter from Bucharest. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can fake your location in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.